This is a short video of my 2022 Toyota Tundra. I have 315 miles on it, and it has minor wind noise. And when I get up to about 40 miles an hour, I can hear the wind coming from the top of the door. And taking this video at night, trying to show the gap, because in the daylight it's hard to see. So this is apparently where it's coming through. You can see that the weather stripping is not conforming with the window. It's just a minor area up top, but it's enough that wind can be heard inside the truck. So for me, it's an annoying sound, and the inferior quality of the rubber just doesn't conform as you would think for a $60,000 truck. So again, it's just a small area right there, and I wish Toyota could fix it.